Assalamualaikum and very good morning to you guys. So today we are going to learn about computer graphics and visualization for our master's class. Okay, so this is just only a briefing topics for our class, not the real chapter yet. Okay, so there's a few announcements. So the first one is the source of announcement, and all other things is via ulearn. So make sure you have access to the ulearn e-learning portal. Okay, and then the second one is to have, actually is number 2. Second one is to have your number to be visible in the WhatsApps. I think already all of you has already have already been into the WhatsApp groups that I have been created, and soon we are going to create a Facebook groups, okay, for us to have some private discussion and so on. And maybe also you guys can access my YouTube for any discussion and so on. Okay, and then all tasks in ulearn is compulsory. All must be done by the deadline that has been given. Okay, actually, what is computer graphics? Computer graphics handled with so many things such as simulation and caves and so on. So what will you learn? The most of the things in the computer graphics, for the computer graphics part, is the OpenGL API. Okay, we call it API, which is one of the graphic library for the computer graphics. And there's a second part which is by the Dr. Sunny, which is under image processing. Okay, so there's two parts of the computer graphic visualization topics subject. Okay, the first part is by myself and the second part by the Dr. Sunny. So she is going to have her own topic soon. Okay, after these 2 weeks of my lecture and lab session, and also with the assessments, we are going to be look all of the some of the games that has been created using OpenGL. Okay, some old games, how to strike, and then the left one is the Serious Sams. Okay. And then you are going to use the C++ in Visual Studio. Okay, so you may download it at the Visual Studio community, which is a free version of the Visual Studio, or you guys can actually go to the Visual Studio website and download the free version of the Visual Studio. You also can buy a professional version if you like. Okay, so this is the interface of the Microsoft Visual Studio. This is one of the version. I think it might be, this version is version 2000. Right now the latest version is 2019. Okay, topic that you're going to learn, there's a X module, module 1, okay, module 2, module 3, okay, input and interaction. Module 4 is geometric object and transformation. Okay, OpenGL will be using a lot, starting from the graphic programming. Okay, and then go down to the input and interaction, geometric object and transformation, and then we are going to look on the viewing in the module 5, and on the module 6, lighting and the shading, and then for the 7 and 8, which is one of the advanced topic in computer graphics, which is hierarchical and object-oriented graphics and visualization. This is for the part of my teaching only. So the other part is by Dr. Sunny, that soon going to be introduced by herself. Okay, so module 1, what's going to be introduced is some sort of like introduction about the computer graphics. Okay, so for example, this is a diagram here. Okay, have an input, have CPU, and then processed by GPU, and then we're going to put the output using our display. See, so this one sounds like 3D cube that you are going to create in using OpenGL. So soon you will know what is OpenGL is all about. Okay, And then the other one, we starting with the OpenGL. Okay, we are going to look on the what is the command that has been used in OpenGL via C++. Okay, and then we look on the input and interaction function using OpenGL. We have display function, mount function, and so on. Okay, and then the introduction of the geometry objects and transformation. We look upon what the basic geometry objects that can be created using OpenGL. Okay, and then viewing function. Okay, you are going to learn theoretical aspect of the viewing. Okay, lighting and the shading, some basics, and some of them is advanced technique. Okay, but we are not going to look on the details yet here right now, so we're just going to share it with you guys what we're going to learn and so on. And then how to score on this subject. Of course, you need to install the setting up the Visual Studio with the OpenGL. Okay, so you guys can actually look on the first lab that you are going to do. Okay, for the first week. Okay, this is actually the first output that you're going to generate. Okay, very basic things. Okay, and then after that you're going to generate, to create a car, a house, anything via OpenGL. So you will know what the games actually back in 20 to 30 years ago. I think not 20, 30 to 40 years ago, how games is being created. Okay, from the source code. Okay, for using the C++ and OpenGL, they create the game. But today, for creating game, we can just use the game engine to create it. Okay, this is roughly the carry marks that we're going to use. Okay, this is our planning. Okay, so perhaps for the mini project, there's a lot of mini project, and then the main project. Okay, and then there's some midterm, and also the lab assessment test, which is the lab skill 1, lab skill 2, and so on. Okay, this is pretty much our what we call this as our plan. Okay, that's it for today. Just introduce some of the basic things that about computer graphics based from my parts. Okay, and we should go into the chapter 1 soon. Okay, after I finish recording and edit this video. Okay, so hopefully you guys can give some feedback, okay, to me, either via YouTube or via Ulearn and or via WhatsApp. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.